Wow, this is so wholesome. I'm just chilling with my seagulls up on the roof. They got mad at me. They got mad at people for being up over there, walking around near the nest. Yeah, there's the nest over there. Wow, it's so wholesome. I'm just chilling. Hey, what's going on, guys? Wow, I love having pet seagulls on my roof. They're so kind to me. They're so kind. That's what I love about having seagull friends. Yeah. Hey, what's going on? I hope those guys didn't do anything bad to your nest. I wouldn't want you to recreate your beautifulness. Hey, that's you. I know you're just trying to protect your nest. Wow, on my own roof that I tried to get you off of, but you made a nest on anyways, and now we can't even walk up here because you'll kill us and dive bomb everyone. Wow, so fun. I hate these seagulls, I hate these freaking seagulls. They took over my roof, they wake me up every morning. The pain in my eyes. Seagulls should be deep fried. If I could, I would have their eggs for breakfast, yo. Do 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 do.